Hey everyone, it's been a little while since our last video update. If you're familiar with TEXA, you know it's a constantly evolving diagnostic system that's always improving. Today we're excited to walk you through the latest features in IDC6 and show you how TEXA continues to deliver the industry-leading innovation you've come to rely on. So in our last video, we left off talking about the features and benefits of IDC5. But if you've been current on renewing your subscriptions annually, you already are seeing the features and benefits on IDC6. Built on the solid foundation of IDC5, IDC6 introduces a redesigned interface, faster navigation, and new AI-powered diagnostic features that help technicians identify and resolve issues more efficiently. It also streamlines the diagnostic process with improved vehicle selection, enhanced scan capabilities, and easier access to wiring diagrams, technical bulletins, and guided troubleshooting. In this video, we're going to take a closer look as to what makes IDC6 different and why it's an important step forward for both experienced technicians and those upgrading from IDC5. TEXA IDC6 is the core operating platform that powers the TEXA diagnostic ecosystem. The IDC6 software features an all-new user interface, faster performance, and intelligent workflow optimization, and seamless integration with today's increasingly complex vehicle technologies. Whether you're working on passenger vehicles, heavy-duty trucks, construction, ag equipment, marine vessels, or even motorcycles, IDC6 provides a unified diagnostic solution across all 5 environments. While IDC5 was already an industry-leading diagnostic platform, IDC6 introduces significant enhancements. Faster software setup, faster communication with vehicle control units, reduced loading times throughout the diagnostic process, and automatic background updates with minimal interruption. Frequently used vehicle selections, diagnostic functions, and tools are easier accessed. This creates a personalized workflow that increases efficiency over time. The power of AI. One of IDC6's biggest innovations is the integration of artificial intelligence. Rather than just displaying fault codes, TEXA AI helps technicians understand what those fault codes actually mean. 2 key AI features include AI Global Search. For example, how do I fix fault code P0401 on a 2019 Volkswagen? The AI searches TEXA's extensive database of verified repair information, including technical bulletins, solved cases, wiring diagrams, procedures, and diagnostic documentation to deliver relevant results quickly. During a diagnostic session, AI analyzes vehicle information, control unit scan results, active fault codes, and stored repair knowledge. It then recommends logical troubleshooting paths and repair information. The result, less guesswork, faster diagnosis, and greater confidence in every repair. Smart Mode is designed to streamline the entire diagnostic process. Instead of manually navigating through multiple menus, Smart Mode intelligently guides technicians to the most relevant diagnostic solution based on vehicle selection, detected systems, fault codes, and previous diagnostic results. Benefits include a faster workflow, reduced navigation time, fewer unnecessary diagnostic steps, improved consistency between technicians, and greater productivity across the workshop. IDC6 continues to expand TEXA's comprehensive diagnostic capabilities, including automatic vehicle identification, TGS3 complete control unit scan, guided diagnostics, interactive wiring diagrams, engineering dashboards, technical bulletins, solved repair cases, mechanical data, live parameter graphing, OE level adjustments, secure gateway access, PassThru programming, remote and authenticated diagnostics, and DoIP communication support. These tools provide technicians with everything needed to diagnose even today's most comprehensive vehicles. To get the most out of IDC6, TEXA offers annual optional software subscription renewals that maintain software integrity and gives you access to all updates that TEXA releases throughout the year. TEXA Security Access enables authorized diagnostic access to secured vehicles, helping technicians perform protected diagnostic operations safely and efficiently. With everything we've gone over, IDC6 isn't simply a software update. It's a completely new diagnostic experience. By combining AI, intelligent workflow automation, faster software architecture, automatic updates, expanded diagnostic capabilities, comprehensive technical information, reduced diagnostic time, increased repair accuracy, improved technician productivity, and most importantly, to deliver better customer service. As vehicle technology continues to evolve, diagnostic tools must evolve even faster. With IDC6, TEXA continues to deliver a smarter, faster, more intelligent platform designed to meet the needs of today's professional workshop and tomorrow's. Whether you're upgrading from IDC5 or investing in your first TEXA diagnostic system, IDC6 provides the technology, the intelligence, and the support needed to keep your business ahead of the curve. TEXA IDC6, intelligent diagnostics, smarter repairs, and greater productivity.